welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make kung pao chicken. So here I have chicken breast. I cut into small pieces. I'm going to marinate it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and I'm going to give them mix. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil so they never stick together. Without further ado, let's get started. Tablespoon of oil, cooking oil, and let's not wok hot. So here's the chicken. Let's fry or saute for a couple minutes. So the chicken almost done. I'm going to pick it up. Add 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Here got chili paste. I have garlic, ginger, and chili. And the onion stem. I have light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, black vinegar, dark soy sauce, and brown sugar. And add peanut. Here is kung pao chicken.